The world record on the 100-meter dash in summer games on the Commodore 64 is set by Mr. or Mrs. Metin, 9.19 seconds. Come on, I can do better. No. Oh, Jesus. 10:23. Let's MacGyver the shit out of this. What we have here is a joystick cable cut off, and it goes into the Commodore 64. When I press R for run and send it over the serial console into the Arduino will start to toggle the left and right pins, which are the second one and the outermost left one. And this is the start button to fire. So if I press R, they will start to toggle. So the hardware is MacGyvered, the software is written, and we're ready to go. That was a good start. Maybe this makes a difference. And again, 9.11. .11 seconds. It seems to be the gold standard, pun intended, for a Commodore 64 PAL version. I looked at my code in the Arduino and I waited 90 milliseconds between each throw of the joystick. When I dropped it down to 18 milliseconds, the Commodore 64 didn't register anymore. And it started to dawn on me that 19 milliseconds is very, very close to 20 milliseconds, which is 50 Hertz. So I don't think that with a bit of timing differences, etc., that 90 milliseconds in my Arduino is the fastest that you can actually go on a Commodore 64 PAL version. So you NTSC owners can shatter my record of 9.11 seconds, and I challenge you. I will not be registering my record because technically I didn't do it. It was the Arduino and Mr. or Mrs. Metin, because he could be a she, actually did it manually, and it's incredible. My record is 9.59 doing it manually, and that's so far off from 9.19. It's incredible. It's really insane what they managed to do. I hope you liked this episode. Stay tuned for some more wicked funny shit that we will be doing with electronics, computers and software. See you in the next one. Cheers.